Man, you guys remember this Dodge Stealth right here from the other day, right? Anthony and I were, you remember? Yeah, this is the one where we had to dump the clutch because the clutch was sticking to try to see why it was overheating. Then we found it had a blowed up head gasket. And then we were going to do the head gasket job on it until we took it apart. Yeah, and now I see why it needed a head gasket, number one. These, I don't even know what these are, but they're not supposed to be multicolored. I mean, I guess that's a head gasket or cardboard or a cereal box, but it didn't seal. Come over here to the cylinder head. Look right here. See that bearing? That bearing race area right there? That's scored and chewed up. It's not gonna hold oil pressure. That one's not that great. You guys can see the glare in there. That one's not that great. Yeah, this head is junk. That cylinder head's junk. This one's sort of okay-ish, I think. Nope. That's not going to be great for oil pressure. I'll give that one a marginal rating. That one gets like a 5 out of 10. That, yeah, that's in theme with the rest of them. The cams are junk. That cam right there is all pitted. That's pitted there. We're all pitted and worn out right here. Same thing on that journal. So that camshaft is actually garbage. Next camshaft, same thing. That's tore up, pitted, grooved, and scored. Same with that one. This cam's no good. Same right here, also no good. Not to mention the rockers that have lift or tick, but it gets better. There's more. There's so much more. We come over here and we found that somebody has done the dingle ball rebuild on this. You guys see that? Let's get the light right. See that crosshatch pattern in there? It's way too steep and way too fast. They never bothered to clean the carbon out when they had the pistons out of it. We've got the telltale sign of the orange RTV on the back of the water pump crossover pipe, but we used gray on this side, so I guess that's better than not changing the O-ring. But there's more. There it is. You guys see it? Here. That's sort of what it's not supposed to look like. That's what it's really not supposed to look like. This cylinder is no longer a functioning cylinder. That is full of rust and pits and destruction. It sat with water in it due to that head gasket right there, letting water and coolant seep into this cylinder. Yeah, I don't know what to do.
Somebody used the whiz wheel.
It really got ziz wheeled. Oh yeah, this engine's junk. They ziz wheeled the top of the block. It'll never seal again. Yeah, we're pulling the plug on this repair. No repair offered. I can't fix this. Needs a motor. Definitely needs a motor. This thing's, it's too far gone. I tried, we really tried, but now we need to put an engine in it. Yeah, that's not good. I can't do anything with this.